So as you guys know, that bandsaw shouldn't sound or shake around like it just was. And today what I'm gonna do to fix that problem is replace this base with a real base. I'm gonna use dimensional lumber. I'm gonna try to use finger joints, but you guys could easily use pocket screws and butt joints if you wanted to. If you wanna see how I did it, stick around. No.
That looks like a mirror, don't you?
When I glued the sides of the stand together, I got all excited and glued one the wrong way. So what I'm gonna do is cut down the side panel that goes in it, cut the strip off. Just because I have the strip, I'm gonna use it to plug this hole, and then I'm going to glue and tack a support piece to go on the back to nail this board up to. And that should cover it up just nicely, and no one will ever know. I'm going to drill the through holes for the bandsaw since I know where that's going to go, and then I need to go get the proper belt for the placement of the motor. I don't want to drill those holes out yet because I don't really know exactly what kind of belt I can get. very easily call it a day right here and put your finish on, but I'm gonna take it one step further and put a drawer in the top of this and a shelf on the bottom to store some heavier items, and that'll also help counterbalance the weight of the bandsaw on the top. So, I asked you guys on the Instagram what you thought I should paint the base with, whether I should paint it black or poly. A couple guys said, hey, you should paint it orange, which is an awesome idea, but I don't really want to paint that kind of thing orange. I want to do like stationary stuff orange. So basically the general consensus was polyurethane. We had 5 poly, I think we had 4 orange and a couple black. Then there was some on Facebook, but you know, Facebook. So we're gonna go with poly. And we're gonna use my favorite polyurethane, which is Rust-Oleum Ultimate Polyurethane. Now, this stuff is pretty awesome. It's water-based. Let me focus here. And this is a semi-gloss, which, you know, I kinda like the satin better, but hey, I got a gallon of it. So that's what we're gonna use. Well, that is a wrap on the bandsaw stand build. I definitely need to make myself a box joint jig. There's several different designs from different YouTubers that I've looked at before. Just got to make a decision on that. And if I would have planed and jointed the lumber used in this, I think the box joints I made would have been better. But I wanted to make it most user-friendly to everybody. And a lot of people don't have a jointer or a planer. I don't even have a jointer yet. The drawer, I don't really know what I'll put in there, but it was an awful lot of unused space. I'm going to put some motors that I have in the bottom for some nice dead weight, and I just need a nice place to store them. One thing that I did do is I went and got myself a link belt, and boy, what a difference. I hope you guys like the build. Please like and subscribe, it helps us out a lot. I'm DIY Tyler, and you guys have a good one.